The murder trial of gas station owner Rick Chow is now in its final phases. Both sides have now rested their cases. Before they did, though, jurors heard from one of the major witnesses, Chow's son.
Yeah, he spent hours on the witness stand today describing the moments leading up to the shooting of 14-year-old Cyrus Carmack-Belton. News 19's Kiki Gushu has been at the Richland County Courthouse all week. She has tonight's story.
I thought he was going to shoot me.
Who?
The young man.
Did you think you were going to die?
Yes.
Why?
Because I saw the barrel just pointing straight at me.
For hours Friday, jurors heard Andy Chow's account of the moments before his father fatally shot Cyrus Carmack-Belton. The 23-year-old testified he believed Cyrus stole a bottle of water from the family's Shell station, followed him outside, and then ran after the teen. Andy Chow said he saw a gun after Cyrus fell while running away. He told jurors he warned his father after seeing the weapon.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun!
The defense also played Andy's 911 call, body camera video, and called additional witnesses in an effort to support its argument that Rick Chow acted to protect his son. But cross-examination produced some of the day's most tense moments. Prosecutor Dale Scott repeatedly questioned why the Chows followed Cyrus out of the store in the first place, pointing to the surveillance cameras, facial recognition software, and the ability to call the police.
Shooting doesn't happen if everybody stays put in the Shell gas station, correct?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Anything else briefly?
It doesn't happen if Cyrus doesn't put a gun on you either, correct?
Correct.
Thank you. No further questions.
Anything else to say?
You don't even know there's a gun if you stay in the gas station,
That's
right?
Your Honor.
You don't know he's got a gun if you stay put in the Shell gas station, correct?
Yes, sir.
Later in the afternoon, jurors heard from a former Richland County deputy who responded to the scene, and from Shelby Bradwell, an EMT student who in 2023 stopped to help Cyrus before first responders arrived. Bradwell testified she saw Rick Chow attempting to do CPR on Cyrus.
Was he, from your impression, trying to save the young man's life at this point in time?
I think it's fair to say that.
The defense rested its case Friday afternoon. Rick Chow will not testify in his own defense, and attorneys are expected to deliver closing arguments Monday morning before the case is handed to the jury. At the Richland County Courthouse, I'm Kiki Gushu, News 19 WLTX.
And earlier tonight, I did speak with our legal experts to get their thoughts on what we may hear during those closing arguments on Monday. This is what they had to say.
I don't think it's going to be quick. I don't know if it'll go 2 days, but I would expect at least a full day, maybe if they get it around lunch by the end of the day or maybe early the next. I don't think it would go 2 days.
It's unusual to go 2 days. I've had a case go 2 days, but this is the type of case where I think it could. This is, in South Carolina, we have very quick jury verdicts compared to other states. I could see this case just because of the factual disputes, the credibility issues, the legal issues, where the jury just gets so locked in that it could go 2 days. But I mean, they're having to decide, like you said, the protection of a father protecting his son versus potentially cold-blooded murder of a 14-year-old boy. And so it is just one of those cases that just rips your heart out. It's a tragic case.
Again, that's our legal experts talking about how long they think it will take before the jury reaches some sort of verdict in this case. Closing arguments are set for Monday morning at 9:30. We'll be streaming that and more on our website, WLTX.com. For the latest updates, you can go there now or scan the QR code you see right there on your screen.